Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to assign event types for publishing, republish, and then while receiving the response from bidders. And also I'll show you the use of configuring item numberings. So let's get started. Open transaction SPRO, go to IMG node, and then open a SRM server. And then open cross application settings, then come to a node called configuring item numberings, and then click on define configurable item numberings. So this is useful when you go do a service procurement. So when we have service procurement with multiple service codes, like one service will have multiple service codes. So in that case the numbering should be like 1, 1.1, 1.2, etc. So in this case I have defined up to D1 to D6, so I can have up to 1.1.1.1 up to 6 levels. I can have one outline can have up to 6 sub items. So this configuring will help to define this item numberings when we go for this service procurement. Next is like message control. This when you have to replace standard error message with warning or information, then we have to go to this node message control and choose the business object. So in my case, let me choose RFX. This I have taken bid. Let me choose bid invitation 2200. For example, let me check any one of the standard error message, that is 534. By standard it is error, and it is also configured with error. So in case if you wanted to make that into warning, then you create another copy that particular item and change it, the type to warning. For example, so copy that. Let me copy that, and then you change this to warning or information, and then save it. Since it is already existing, this cannot be changed. Then you come back and delete, and then replace and save it, so that particular standard message will be coming as warning instead of the standard error message. You can also change this for incoming message types when you are transferring PR or when you are creating a PO, so that also can be modified. And in case if you want to suppress some of the messages, so that you just simply activate this. Detailed error message can be suppressed. In case when you click on a error message, you will get a detailed description, so that can be suppressed with that node. So next is like defining the event for alerts. So when you publish, we can have so let's go to one of the object type 2200. So these are all the list of events I was mentioning, like publish again, and say publish. And you can also copy and create custom event types, and then you can save it and assign under the event schema. So this defining event schema, we have a standard event schema. When you choose RFX and click on event schema, so this is the standard schema which I defined in one of the previous video while creating a RFX document type. So this is the category control. So for published and republished, I have given the category as output. So this will be triggering a mail to the bidders with output as a PDF. So there are different types, like a task. Task is like this, it goes an alert, just an information, not as a PDF attachment. Next is like message control we have seen, event we have seen. So this is like a text mapping. When PR is transferred from ECC to SRM, how we are going to map the text types. So select the external system, and then external type as EXTR REQ, and external text ID, and in RFX you choose whether it is header or item, and then you define the text ID HD01, which we saw in previous videos, and also you can define whether it should be in header item. So this has to be mapped for all the text types individually.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.